Hi, today I'm going to decorate my A6 6-ringed journal that I've had for a while, and I've been using it for bullet journaling as well as some ink swatches. So I haven't been using this that much recently. I kind of gave up because I don't really know if bullet journaling is my thing per se. I really did enjoy it while I was doing it, but it seemed a little bit time consuming, and I feel like I might have rather just had a pre-made planner ready. I'm still kind of in between on that. I'm not sure what I quite want to do. But I also have this black paper because I thought it was really interesting, and I do have those metallic markers and some white paint markers, so that is pretty fun as well. So I have some options as to what I want to do with this that I haven't quite decided yet, but I really want to decorate this because I think that spicing it up a little bit would make me more motivated to actually use it. So I have some stickers here and some washi tape, and I actually have some pictures as well that I have for some other videos that I'm going to be doing, and also just for journaling. So if I do feel compelled to use these, I might, but I don't know if I will, because I have a frosted cover. So I've seen some clear ones and I think that's cute, but I like this look, so I wanted to just decorate the cover. I think I don't think the pictures would look good behind it. Actually, it looks okay. Maybe I will do something with that because I do have some pretty papers that I could put on this front page if I wanted to, so that might be something that I'll do. Since I wrote on this page, as you can see, for my June bullet journal, but then as you can see, you can kind of see some ghosting through it, so I didn't want that to be my cover page. So now I'm thinking maybe I will just cover this with maybe some pictures or some other colored paper that I have, and decorate it that way, and then also put some stickers on top maybe. Interesting. I might do that because I've been thinking about it for a while, and I don't really like how small the stickers that I have are. As you can see, I don't want to just put like one sticker. I want to actually fill up the space decently well, and that would need quite a few. And I feel like that would just look messy as well. So maybe I will just put a piece of paper behind it. Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. So I have some other colors as well, but I think I want to go with yellow just because it's a bright, happy color, but also I think it matches the kind of look that I'm going for better. I'm not sure yet if I want to use this. I'm gonna look at some of these stickers that I have. So these are fairly small, and I haven't decided on what type of theme I want this binder to have yet. I don't know, because these stickers and these stickers are very different, so I don't think I want to use both of them at once, because this is kind of a vintagey feel, and this is kind of a, I don't really know what to call that, but maybe this one could work with these. I don't think so. I think if I went with these, I would want to go with a more antiquated kind of like tea-stained paper. I think that would look better than this bright yellow. So I think I will use this yellow, and I'll use some of these. Let me first map out what I think I would like. Maybe some things with hints of yellow. This dream sticker is kind of cute. I really like this little backpack. I think that's fits the theme really nicely as well, because it kind of has some yellow accents. Let's see, maybe something like that. That looks pretty good to me. I feel like 4 is too much, but then 3 is too little. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a combination of 3s, 4. I think that looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna put away these other stickers first, and then I'm going to see what I want to do with the yellow background. First, I'm just going to trace the sides of this paper and cut it out. I think that looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to punch some holes. I actually don't have a hole puncher, so I cut a cross at every place that there's supposed to be a hole, and it went in very easily. And I also just erased all of the pencil markings that I had. So this just goes to prove that you can do this without any supplies whatsoever. I think that looks pretty good. And I actually like how that looks better, because then it'll look completely solid on the front. So that's how that looks. I think that looks pretty good. I actually really like how that looks. I'm going to put that band on to make sure that I don't put any of the stickers where that band is. So I think that looks pretty good. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, there's no turning back from this point. I get stressed out whenever I'm doing the covers of notebooks, because you can't just replace the page, you know? So you just kind of have to go for it. It's not like a page of a notebook when you're decorating. You can, if you don't like it, oh well, you can just flip the page and start over or something like that. I really love this little backpack one. I think it's so cute. Okay, there it is. That is my finished A6 ring binder. And honestly, I think that's so cute. I love the little pastel theme. And that's what the back looks like, just for reference. I have a little agrigatsu, which I think matches the theme pretty well, like warm pastel tones. But it's a whole different vibe, but I really love it because it's like the front is like party in the front, and you know. But yeah, I really like it. It's all like girly and pastel in the front, and then it's kind of a black background with this I think it's called agrisuko. Actually, I always call it agrikatsu on accident, but yeah, I really love this. I have a feeling I'm gonna be using this a lot more now. But yeah, I'm really happy with the result. If I had a little charm, I would totally include that as well, but I don't have any. But I really love how this turned out. I'm honestly pleasantly surprised. But yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!